Mayra, you know.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to a video of me, Billy the Car Guy. So I'm starting this video up like this today because I wanted to start wrenching on the car to change the coilovers. As you guys will see, I've already removed the wheel, the car is jacked, everything is lubricated. So I wanted to start wrenching and just like try to knock this out as quickly as I can as possible, and just show you guys. But yeah, no, let me tell you guys what other things you need to loosen and to change over coilovers on your ep3. So basically, this you need to remove. I think this is the outer tie rod. You need to remove that. These, I think they are both at 19. You need to remove these both. You need to remove the brake line. You need to remove that. And also here, if I look even closer, yeah, you gotta remove this because this line is for the ABS sensor that goes right. I don't know how you guys can see this right there. So basically, I've seen some videos of some people the problem because the tie rod moved, but I don't have it because I decided, you know, I must first start move on the front side, place one at a time, and then on the back side just check both up and just remove it. And on the top is just 12 millimeter bolt you have to remove. So yeah, so basically I'm start. Oh yeah, this is the coilover I got secondhand. Where it was, it's D2. They're already like loaded and everything, so probably when I install them I gotta lay it on the line, get the car line. So yeah, so now I'm gonna continue wrenching. You guys will get a snippet update when I finish. Move on to the next one. So a little update. I finally got the stock coilover out. It's right over here. As you guys will probably see a side-by-side comparison. This is the coilover and this is stock one. It was a pain, but somewhat a pain to get out, because as you guys can see, this outer tie rod, normally on other cars you lock the steering wheel, but apparently, I don't know, maybe anyway, it's keep moving. So when I put the coilover back in, I gotta somewhat line up, but eventually the rule of thumb is that once you get your install coilovers, you should try to get a line probably as soon as possible. So basically I'm gonna try to line it up back as good as I can, and then put an appointment. Otherwise you will be like burning to your tires, or let's say ruining your tires inner walls. But anyway, this is an update. The coilover's out. About to go and install this new one, this old one. As you guys see, it's bigger and it's heavier compared to this one. See? Let's go. And as I can see, I have like on the braided line. Well, maybe it's not. I don't see it's not kinking or anything. It's just the outer layer protection. So yeah. Let's continue. So might have a small problem. Just need to let me show you guys. So I have a small problem. Is bolt 10 millimeter bolt. It holds the ABS sensor back in. On the old shock, it got trapped, but on this one it doesn't. So I need to get like a locking bolt too, and just like also need to get some kind of pin if they have it, and just like yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. So I'm back, guys. As you can see by my hair, I had to take the motorcycle to get the parts. And also one of the pins that holds the locking bolt for the top outer tie-on broke, so I had to like get a whole set, because like they don't literally like sell it loose, so I had to go get a whole case of that. I'm gonna show you guys let me show you guys right now. So yep, there it is, the whole pins and everything. So basically now I can't run out, or I'm without. But anyway, literally right now I'm gonna rush everything, because I'm kind of a bit hungry, and yeah, and plus I'm supposed to meet a friend later in this day. So yeah, if the people that did the swap or whatever work on this car, bro, y'all cannot be serious. So progress, I'm finally got to the point where I need to work on the rear. Everything is out already. This one is also out. Only one thing, I really need to like get an appointment to get this car aligned, because this one, see how it is, and when I lower it down, it tilts out this way, and this one is good, as you can see, but still I gotta get aligned as soon as possible, so I can fully take full advantage of these coilovers. So yeah, I'm gonna keep hammering, try to knock out the rear. The rear is basically easily, because it doesn't have it's just like a bolt here, bolt at the top. You just make sure to have like a breaker bar or something to push down this entire arm, so you can just slide out, so it won't have enough tension. But the rear is basically easy. So everything is done. I've finished installing all the 4 coilovers, and I don't know, maybe the coilover needs to set in. It kind of looks like the coilover now make the ride even higher, but I don't know, maybe it needs to sets in. I don't know. Even on this side, only this time I need to like try to get the toe as somewhat close as possible. Then I need to get a line, but as far as the installation goes, it's done. I don't know if it sits like this. I really need to like what you say, lower it, because I didn't install coilover just to be like that. But anyway, I'll catch this is gonna be for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.